Today, we are going to install the FortiGate 90G and FortiSwitch 108F into the RM-FR-T29 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 1 Cat6 cable, 4 screws, and 9 zip ties. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the FortiGate. Place the appliances on the rack and secure them with 2 screws each, the FortiSwitch from the side and the FortiGate from the bottom of the rack. Place up to 3 power supplies on the rack and secure each with 2 zip ties. Connect the cable to your appliance. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with a zip tie. Repeat the steps with the other power supplies. Connect the FortiSwitch to the keystone with the supplied cable. You are done installing the appliances into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT